Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you kind of find your TikTok balance, like the kind of earning that you got from live streaming, the kind of earnings. I don't know if that's a word, but so go to your profile. So select your profile page, select the three lines and select creator tools. Then you are going to find, actually it's in settings and privacy. Go to balance. And here is where you can find your TikTok balance. It's like under gift revenue. So I have this so far from like live streaming. So like people gift coins on like my live stream. So I just select this, and here you can view like your gift revenue and also the diamonds you've already gotten. You can either withdraw it and make it into cash or exchange it for coins that you can also then gift to other creators on TikTok. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!